Welcome to Pydle Day 71. Pydle is a daily puzzle game you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a knife and a fork, and the name of the puzzle is Bon Appetit. So have a go at solving this Pydle. If you haven't played Pydle before, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle. Follow along and get some hints how to solve the Pydle, the daily Pydle. Yesterday's Pydle was a birthday cake with a candle, single candle, and a black background. So let's first focus on just the colors. We can deal with the letters later on. Okay, so let's start two loops. So because we're going to do the X is kind of different colors, let's start with the Y. For Y in range 5. For X in range 5. Okay, so to do the different colors of the layers, kind of the brown chocolate cake, then icing, we're going to have a if statement if y greater than 1. So that is that's y 0, 1, so it's greater than 1. And then we're just going to say Pydle x comma y. We will deal with the kind of the birthday message later on. And we can say purple if y equals 2, else brown. Okay, so that should do the cake. That's the cake. So let's quickly do the candle. So we can just do else if x equals 2. So only need to draw the candle in the middle pixels, and that's where x equals 2. So let's do Pydle x comma y, no character, and we say white if y equals y, else orange. Okay, let's see if that drew the candle. Okay, so we've got the whole cake there. Now for the birthday message, I'm going to create a list with the 3 kind of layers that have birthday message on it. So I'm going to say message equals start the array. I'm going to use strings because strings are lists as well. Okay, and for the hearts, it doesn't work if you just have a string of 5 hearts because they're Unicode emojis. So what we're going to do is basically have a list with an emoji. And then we just times that by 5. Okay, so that is going to create a list as the third element with 5 hearts. So it doesn't matter, we can address the different strings as lists, but that is actually a physical list. Okay, now we can use our birthday message here. All we need to do is we need to say message y minus 2 because we're missing the first 2 rows, and this will be X. Okay, so that's just going to get the right either string or the list in that outer list, and then we're going to get the correct element. Okay, hopefully if we run that, we have solved the Pydle. Okay, today's Pydle, the ninth fork should be quite a bit easier. Have a go at solving that, and I will see you again tomorrow with the solution.